Arigato. Ayan guys, ang ganda, di ba? Good morning guys, come with me today as we explore Shinjuku Gyoen Garden. So this is the general admission. So they have here the entrance fee. May bayad kasi siya. So it's not free. So let's go inside and explore the garden. So they accept credit, card, cash, and may mga transit card din. So let's try the IC card. Let's use our Suica para mas mabilis. I think it's mas mabilis. Let's check kung may ano pa tayo. Arigato. Okay, so yun. So, buti na lang may laman pa yung Suica card natin. So, ayan guys. Ang ganda, di ba? I think this is so big. So, we're gonna explore just a little bit kasi aalis pa tayo mamaya. Ayan. Ang ganda. Grabe. Ayan guys. Ang ganda, di ba? So, dito pa lang yan sa may entrance banda. I'm gonna show you around. Let's see kung hanggang saan tayo dadalhin ng mga paa natin. So, let's explore over there. Diyan muna tayo sa unahan. Here's a closer look guys. And as you can see, yung mga tao, pati ako ha, I'm using my umbrella kasi umuulan na siya. On my way here, medyo mahina pa yun eh. Pero ngayon, ayan, nag-start nang lumakas yung ulan. But people are still enjoying taking pictures and videos. So hindi ko na lang sila ipapakita dyan. Ito naman guys, yung ibang sakura trees na hindi pa masyadong nagbo-bloom. But as you can see, meron na naman din. Pero ayun nga, hindi pa marami. I think next week, they will be in full bloom until the early days of April. So next week is gonna be the last week of March. So expected na magbo-bloom pa talaga to and they will be more beautiful. So, yung ibang tao, they bring a mat and they have picnics here. This was my first plan actually. This was part of our itinerary talaga is to enjoy picnic under the sakura trees. Pero, it's raining now and we're really running out of time. We have other things to do. So, let's just explore here a bit. Guys, malakas na talaga yung ulan. So, I will stop here and I hope na nag-enjoy pa rin kayo sa ating tour dito sa Shinjuku Gyoen Garden.